Amazon EBS, or Elastic Block Storage, is provision capacity and performance, meaning you are paying for the EBS storage even if it is unattached or has very low read-write activity. One of the first ways you can optimize your EBS performance is by making sure you don't have provision storage that's not in use. Occasionally, you will need to audit your environment to detect and delete obsolete EBS volumes and adjust the size of your provision storage to match your actual use. EBS volumes attached to EBS-optimized instances can be accessed using dedicated networks, whereas non-EBS-optimized instances use shared networks. Of course, dedicated network connections to storage provides increased throughput options. Non-EBS optimized instances share the network with all the rest of the local traffic. You will need to evaluate your application to determine if using an EBS optimized instance would provide a benefit, especially if your application is web-based or clustered and sees significant network traffic. Your application performance can be limited by the network bandwidth available to your instances. This is another reason it is important to perform extensive tests when developing your applications to determine the best instance for your specific performance needs. EFS volume performance optimization is built into the service because it's already distributed, making it highly available, durable, and scalable. Amazon EFS can be mounted on up to thousands of Amazon EC2 instances concurrently. If you can parallelize your application across more instances, you can drive higher throughput levels on your file system across those instances. Applications that perform a large number of read and write operations likely need more memory or computing capacity than applications that don't. Once again, when benchmarking your application and development, choose the EC2 instance types that have the resources that your application needs for optimal performance. Amazon EFS supports two forms of encryption: encryption in transit and encryption at rest. Choosing to enable either or both types of encryption for your file system has minimal effect on I/O latency and throughput.